Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide your friends or friend list on Facebook account. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, open your Facebook application. So this is the home page of Facebook application. Now tap on the icon button from the top right corner. Now you can see a settings option just beside the menu button or the search bar, or you can scroll down to the bottom and you can find settings and privacy button. Tap on it, then tap the settings button from the first place. Now your settings option will be appeared at this section, then scroll down. Okay, now under the section of audience and visibility at the second place you can see how people find and contact you. Tap on this. Okay, now at the second place you can see who can see your friends list. So this is very simple, it is selected as only me. Okay, that means nobody can see my friend list. So if it is selected as public, that means everybody will be able to see your friend list. So you have to just do one simple thing. If it is in public mode, tap on the public and make it only me. That's it, nobody will be able to see your friend list except you. So that's all for today's video, and if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.